Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna do like shopping vlog quickly and we can do unboxing together. So let's go shopping with me. Today, I'm gonna check the items I ordered so far. Also, I came to check some item. I see so many vibrant colors. Love the color of garden party. I see the new season collections, including resort collection. Love this red color. Black and white color. Love this secret shirt. I think this is Shangdao print. Now let's move on to shoe section. There were so many new color and new style. Love this espadrille. I found something similar, not exactly same, but this is very nice. Love this two-tone sandal. There's a red and gold color as well. Love the buckle detail. Selena sandal is classic style. Perfect for summer. I couldn't find from homepage, but I love these sneakers. Love the Crocs strap. I love confetti collection. I like all the silver jewelry. Kelly pendants are so cute. Rock chic style. Love this new Farangdor collection. Hope you enjoyed my shopping vlog. So before I do unboxing, quickly I wanna go through what I ordered, like kind of reserved. So I mentioned before I ordered some mini bags and I don't know why it takes so long. I was checking with my essay in the store which item she really ordered in real. So she really ordered for me. She doesn't know when it's coming. I feel like it's hard to get more than like Kelly or Birkin. It's funny, right? Something like mini bag like to-go wallet I ordered. Some to-go wallets. Also, I ordered like mini Evelyn. Also, small size of Picotin. Yeah, so I ordered small size of all the mini bags, and then I really want to get all different color. So I will show you when I do unboxing of those bags. Last year, that production was fully stopped for like few months because of COVID-19 situation. Maybe that's why it's not coming yet. They take more time to make new bags. But I could choose the color I want. Or small mini bags. Let's pray I can get soon those bags. These are not the bags. Don't be disappointed. It's coming. Yeah, let's get started. Ta-da! You can guess by looking at the size of the box and the shape of the box. Let me do the biggest one. This one. So I have another color of this. You might guess because I've done already unboxing recently. So it's a shoe. But different color and a little bit different detail, I would say, style. It was very unique. I haven't seen from homepage, so I was so interested in like trying, and then I just chose this because it's so beautiful. It's just perfect for summer. So let me do unboxing quickly. So this is shoes, and let me open. So I bought a little bit different detail, different style, and different color you've seen before from my another unboxing. But this one is a little bit unique. But it's a summer color, which is my favorite color. It's a white color. What would it be? Yeah, it's orange sandal, but with stud in the middle. But it's coated with the same white color. But they are saying this is a stud. And made in Italy. My size is 38. I wear always half size up. I usually wear 37 and half normally, but like this one, I prefer 38 because this is kind of short when I wear. So I don't want my foot sticking out here. So I wear always half size up. So for your information. So this one has like stud. It's like coated with something. If you remember, I ordered this one. So I'm perfectly ready for the summer. I really wear this every day. It's a perfect daily item. It matches with any kind of outfit. But this one also, you know, it's white color. So I wanted all white color in Oran, but I didn't want to buy just Oran. So it has like different stud like details, so I really liked it. That's why I chose this one. Next one is ready to wear, but it's like perfect for summer and easy to maintain. You know, silk or cashmere, really good quality, but it's hard to maintain, especially during summertime. So yeah, I wanted something easy to maintain. I can just wash in the like washer. It is dress, but very simple style. It's yellow color dress, and let me show you a little bit of detail. It's not just like t-shirts, almost like t-shirts. Covers elbow. That's why I like it, because it's not too cold when it's like suddenly windy, even during summertime. And see this detail. Here it's a little bit different color, and I love this length. It covers elbow. That's why I like it. And this one, as you can see, there's like a embroidered some detail pocket. This one makes it a little bit special. It looks like just like casual style dress, but it's not just ordinary style. There was only this color. I don't think there's another color, but there are similar dress without this pocket. Easy to maintain. I can wear anytime and just wash in the washer. So I loved it. Next one is, as you can see, it's scarf. 90 by 90. Yeah. So I bought this actually to wear like a clothes. I can wear like just ordinary scarf style, but this one is I want to make like a t-shirt. So I gonna show you how I gonna wear. Let me open. So for me, it's first time to buy scarf, because I am not like the person wearing like very ladylike, very like feminine style, like with a scarf. It's like kind of too formal for me, so I didn't like it that way. That's why I was not interested before, but the reason I bought is I want to wear this like a top during summertime. That's why I got it. But maybe I can think about really like scarf style, but I prefer like a little bit casual styles. Yeah, it's very classic. I think steady seller, as I said. You can really wear like a scarf. Let me see the name. Gare Twill Project Gare. This is like a geometry style, I would say. Yeah, this is top. Isn't it beautiful? I love the color combination. Like there is a yellow, a little bit of yellow here, gold or yellow, also like navy, blue. Let me open next one. This is totally different color. I really like both because I can match with different outfits. I want almost neutral color, which is orange theme. But there is not just orange. There is like green, a little bit of like light blue, pale blue. It is kind of neutral style, but it has vivid color as well. So it really like has a good combination of color. There was another like a navy, black or navy tone. It looks gorgeous, but like when I tried on, I don't think I gonna like it because it was neon blue color, which is like too much for me to try first time. So this is like nature theme. The other one was about riding horse. So different theme, I would say. You can see the headquarter. So this is headquarter, but it's in the middle of like nature. When you try it on, it's gonna be like this. But I wanna try this as a top, so I will show you after this soon. But it's like you don't need to worry about styling too much. Just like this, you know, roughly you can just try with a white top, any white blouse. So how was it? I hope you enjoyed my shopping vlog, and also unboxing. And if you are interested in fashion, lifestyle in LA, this kind of content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And yeah, see you soon. Bye.